Hi, this is Dominic from Audi Royal Oak with the Unwrapped to beat all unwrapped. This is the SQ7. Now I know what you're thinking, 7-seaters, boring, not this one, not this one. You're going to find out exactly why. 500 horsepower, V8, more cylinders than seats. When was the last time you heard that? Mythos Black, lots of stuff I'm going to tell you about after we get under the paper. Obviously, you are going to want to spend every single minute you can inside the SQ7. So what about that interior? Well, you have the famous legendary Audi sports display. You have the diamond grey stitch pattern on the chairs. You have the fantastic real carbon fibre inlays that looks like it's been designed by like Giorgio Armani or someone like that. And even though you can't see it from here, you've got that lovely Alcantara soft fabric. You can put your head down if you need a little sleep when you park. So what is the absolute special thing about this car? Ask yourself this question. How much horsepower does your average 7-seater SUV have? 250? 260? Our V6 Q7 goes up to 335. This, 500 horsepower. 500 great big beautiful horses under the hood, and you are in control of every single one of them. Think about what you use a 7-seater SUV for. Oh, taking the kids to hockey. All of a sudden, getting up at 5 AM to go to the rink with those fragrant kit bags isn't such a chore, because the ride itself is absolutely exhilarating. That's if you can even get the kids near it. Once 6 of your friends find out about this, they'll never be out of it. It will be the official friend group fun mobile, and all of that for $112,000. That is the SQ7, and it's available for you now at Audi Royal Oak.